Hello, let me show you 3 tips how you can try to fix Wi-Fi connections problem. So first of all, you have to open the settings. Now you will have to scroll all the way down into the general management. And right now you will have to go into the reset option and go for this one, reset Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth settings. So try to do this. Remember that it will disconnect you and forget all the connected Wi-Fi networks, but also all of your Bluetooth devices. And once you actually do this, you can just simply go back for your connections, go here and simply try to connect one more time. What you can also do, you can try to go below into that option called a software update. And if you are connected to the mobile data, you can simply try to update software, because often when there's some kind of the problems, then the latest updates fix it. But if it is still not working, well, now we have to try some basic tips. Like for example, switch off the Wi-Fi and also try to reboot your phone. I know that it sounds like super simple, but trust me, it often fixes a lot of problems. So simply restart it. And there's also one thing, make sure that the airplane mode is also turned off, because when the airplane mode is turned on, then the Wi-Fi is not working.